This is the continuation of the previous tutorial, guys. Please check the previous part video from the I button in the top right corner, or else you can check the description where the link will be updated, or else you can go to my channel playlist and find the previous part. Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Design. In this video I'm just going to show you how we can make an extract geometry with a point option. As you can see here, this composite curve is already explained. Please go and check out my videos in the playlist. So now we are left with this point. As you can see here, we don't have any points in this model, so let me create points first, and here you go. And this is the one point I'm going to create, and the other point always here. And let me create one more point or here. Suppose if there are points like this, and if you want to extract these points, you can just go to menu, insert, and associative copy and geometry. So here you can see the point. So as you can see here, this is the one point I'm just going to extract, and we have an associative. As I already mentioned you, in all the extract geometry, whatever you will feel like associativity settings, so it means that it will be completely associative with the original body or original curve or original face. So as soon as you change the original component or part or curve, accordingly the whatever the geometry that you have extracted will be going to change. So that is the meaning of the associative. And as you can see here, only in the point, so these sub settings will be changing as you select the different options over here. So in the point you can see the draw line between the points. So once you this selected, so if you select 2 points here, the one point is already selected, and here I'm just going to select another point. So as soon as you select the second point, the curve will be generated, and when you select the third point, again the curve will be generated. So this is how this draw line between the points will works. Use the display properties of the parent object, so it will display the properties of the parent if you select this. So once you click OK, so these points will also be extracted, as well as you can see here, these are the some extracted points and then the lines which are created inside your part navigator. So this is how that extracting a point will work, guys. Now in the extract geometry itself, we have an extract datum plane. As you can see here, associative copy, and here is the geometry, and here is the datum. So in order to explain this, what I will do is I will just show all the datums. As you can see here, so these are the different datum planes. So I'll just go to insert, associative copy and geometry, and here I'll go to datums. As you can see here, suppose if you want to extract this datum plane, you can just select it, and associativity, as I said, and hide original is nothing but, so this is my original which is 89. If you select this and click OK, so this will be hidden, and the main component, the extracted datum plane will be here. If you hide this, both will be hidden. So you can see the main original component as well as original feature as well as this will be hidden. So this is how this datum planes and extract points works, guys. This is the end of the one of the part of tutorial, guys. Please check the description for the next video link, or else you can go to my channel playlist and you can find the next part. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, as well as share my videos.